To advertise your Shopify store on Google Ads, start by setting up a Google Ads account if you don't already have one. Navigate to the Google Ads website and sign up for an account by providing basic information such as your email address and password. Once you have set up your account, link your Shopify store to Google Ads by going to the Google Ads dashboard and clicking on the Campaigns tab. Then clicking on the plus icon to create a new campaign. Select the goal that aligns with your advertising objectives, such as sales or leads. Next, set up a new ad group and choose the type of ad you want to create, such as a text ad or a shopping ad. For shopping ads, you will need to set up a Google Merchant Center account and link it to your Shopify store. This will allow you to upload your product feed and create shopping ads that showcase your products. When creating your ad, make sure to include relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. You can use the Google Keyword Planner tool to find the best keywords for your ad campaign. Also, make sure to set a bid for your ad, which is the amount you are willing to pay each time someone clicks on your ad. To track the performance of your ad campaign, set up conversion tracking by installing the Google Ads conversion tracking code on your Shopify store. This will allow you to track the number of conversions, such as sales or leads, that are generated from your ad campaign. Best practices for advertising your Shopify store on Google Ads include targeting specific keywords and ad groups, setting a daily budget, and monitoring your ad campaign regularly to make adjustments as needed. Additionally, make sure to optimize your ad campaign for mobile devices, as many shoppers use their smartphones to browse and shop online. By following these steps and best practices, you can create an effective Google Ads campaign that drives traffic and sales to your Shopify store. Remember to continually monitor and optimize your ad campaign to achieve the best possible results.